Hi! Welcome back to the third episode of my London vlog. Before we continue, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Good morning! Today is 24th of December. It's the Christmas Eve and we woke up early in the morning and we went to Westminster Abbey for a service. Like a very smart cookie that I am, I took my camera but I forgot to take the camera battery. So the service was in a small chapel behind the main cathedral, and it was like a small hidden little room. Oh, it was so good. And there would have been like a maximum of 10 people. It was just so amazing. Anyways, we came back to the room, changed my shoes because I wanted to be in something comfortable, and now we're heading out to have some breakfast. We're at this place called the Strand. We need to have the proper English breakfast at least once, and Christmas Eve is the right time to do so. And here we are for breakfast. So difficult for me to make the decision. He's gonna go for the Strand full English, but I think that's too much for me. Eggs Benedict is my all-time favorite. I think I've said that many times before. I also like pancakes. I think I'll stick to my yummers. And breakfast drinks. Champagne, are you kidding me? I think I'll just have fresh orange juice. Okay, the food has arrived and it looks marvelous. Simply fantastic. Whoa, that looks good. That looks good. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. As good as it looked, and in spite of being super hungry, the food was really not that great. Soon after breakfast, we walked to the nearest bus stop to catch a bus to Bond Street. The bright morning slowly faded into a gloomy, drizzly weather. We're back in the bus, leaving Oxford Street, and we have a little something in my hand. I'm just so upset that it started raining again, because yesterday it didn't rain, not even one drop of rain, and it was amazing. And today is a rainy day. I'm chewing on a candy, so if I look a little swollen, that's why, and the lack of makeup. I just wanted to give my face a break. So no makeup. Okay, we are in the St. Martin in the Field Church, and we are here for the Christmas Carol service. It's at 4:30 and the gates open at 3:45, so we tried our best to make it back on time, but we're here at 4 and we still got like a really crappy set of seats. we don't have a very good view, but we're glad that we at least have seats, and we're really excited about this. We're really so through this hole I will be able to show you what I can see. Okay. Carnaby Street, because there is some Carnaby Street Christmas party, and I am so happy that the rain stopped in between. It was raining so heavily, it was just such a bummer, but right now it's whoa, this is what we were talking about. Carnaby Christmas party. I'm really beginning to understand how everyone's mood depends on the weather here in London. The city is completely different when the skies are happy. Coming back to these wonderful Christmas lights though, the other day I saw a sign that said Carnaby Christmas Party, and I had to drag my squad to the scene. The place was packed with cheerful people and street entertainment. As we were strolling down the street, we got lost in a little Christmas wonderland, no jokes, that was tucked away from the main street. So beautiful. I've pulled out my Santa hat hat. And guys, please follow me on Snapchat. I'm doing live coverage on Snapchat. We are at the St. Christopher's place and we're in a place called Sofra. It's a beautiful Turkish restaurant. The food is brilliant. I mean, we are coming from the Middle East, so we've had Middle Eastern food, but this is by far the best we've had so far. Good morning, guys. It's 26th of December and we have moved to Wembley for a few days now. Yesterday was Christmas and we just spent the whole day at home. We had a beautiful Christmas dinner that my friend prepared for us. It was just home and family and friends, that's all. And today we've gotten out just to check out Boxing Day. Boxing Day in UK is when every store goes on a massive sale. The crowd is kind of crazy, so we didn't get out in the morning. We didn't want to deal with that kind of crowd. It's about 11 a.m. We're out and the crowd has kind of subsided. We have not gone to the shopping center of London yet. I was looking for sleek makeup and my friend told me that you get it in Superdrug. So let me just check out if the Wembley Superdrug has sleek. Let me check it out. Makeup Revolution there, which we don't get in the Middle East. And all of this we get, and they are not cruelty free, so I don't buy any of this anymore anyway. Let's see, what is this? Which brand is this? Sleek. There you go. Sleek. Oh, the brow kit. What do I get? Face contour kit. I wonder if this is cruelty free though. I really wonder. Good trio for dark skin. Corrector and concealer palette. Ooh. These are very, very, very famous, by the way. We're right in front of the Wembley Stadium. We are on our way to the outlet. I think that's the name of the place. You get good stuff for more reasonable price. I'm wearing sneakers today because my legs hurt from all the walking and I'm so comfortable. It gives me so much joy to see happy children. Look at them, they're just so happy. Aww. And that is the London designer outlet. We usually stick to Asics for our gym shoes because they honestly are the best gym shoes that you can ever find. Thanks to Boxing Day, they are on really, really, really good sale. And that's the damage done. You can see the rest in my haul. After exploring the mall for a while, we did a little bit of shopping. We've stopped at Nando's for lunch. And this place is so many people. People make me happy. So, for the regular size, Thank you. If you watched my last vlog, you know that the Starbucks bug bit me out of nowhere. So today, after our delicious lunch, we decided to treat ourselves to a cup of Starbucks season special as we walk back home to get ready for the night. Reached Oxford Street, y'all. How many times have we come here? This place is just so pretty. How can we not come here again and again and again? And of course we need to see what it looks like on Boxing Day. Decided to meet one of my Instagram friends here to check out the nightlife of London. Got some glitter on my eyelids. Do you see? Oh, look at that! The kids are going crazy. Yeah. Remember bubbles? Bubbles! We just got out of the club. We went to Tiger, and one of my friends, actually one of my Instagram friends, her Instagram name is Mia Loves Beauty. She invited me over, and she and her friends, they really showed us a really good time. And we hadn't seen this part of London yet. It's seriously, London just comes alive in a different way at this time. And actually, we are leaving really early. This is when the nightlife really starts. It's just 11:30, but we had to get back home early. I'm really surprised at the life. Look at that. This is reminding me of London. I'm sorry, Thailand. Wow. It's really busy at this time of the night. But in all honesty, I enjoyed Dubai nightlife better. It's as weird as it sounds. Yep. Oh, look where we ended up. Arabic food.
Yeah.
Would you believe that we ended up having shawarma in London? Fast forwarding to the very last day of 2015. We had made a short trip to Scotland in between, but I'll put that vlog up later. Oh, I have to cover my... Good morning. So today the plan is to go to Camden. We were told that it's a really good place for shopping, the Camden market. So we are all in the metro. Say hi. What up?
Hi.
Whoa. That is some crazy traffic. We're in the Camden town stop, and for some reason the traffic is so bad. Probably because it's 31st of December. Crazy.
Yes, there you go.
There you go, that's Camden town. The Mad Hatter's tea party is going on here. So interesting. Nice.
Opposite of the pond.
Yeah, but I'm getting so fascinated with the crowds. Never in our wildest dreams would we have expected a place like this in London. Camden Market is a little market where you'll find everything that your little budget-friendly heart desires. Sunglasses, shoes, handbags, clothes, accessories, souvenirs, art, handmade jewelry, tattoo parlors, vintage stuff, bars, food, everything. Everything. Cannot believe that a place like this exists in London. Cannot believe it. I'm really fascinated. Ooh. We're literally standing in a queue to get inside Cyberdog. I have no idea what this is, but she wants me to really check it out. So, standing in a queue. We need hot chocolate once again. How can we spend a day in London without having hot chocolate? I mean, not possible.
Ja, willst du es echt machen?
Happy.
Oder willst du es nur so?
Not so happy boy. Oh, happy boy.
Unfortunately, we don't have any marshmallows left, but you want chocolate, like late food, it comes. No marshmallows.
of hot chocolate with no marshmallows wouldn't do the trick. So we stopped by the nearest food stall to grab some yummers to enjoy this cold winter evening.
Just to have some greens. Before it got too late, we headed back home, got ready, put on my sequin disco ball dress and headed to a New Year's Eve bus party. The party bus took us to a few different clubs and then finally took us to the Primrose Hill to watch the countdown and the fireworks. It was great and I covered it all on Snapchat. But in all honesty guys, I would have rather watched the fireworks at home on BBC. The wait and the drunk crowd on the hill was not worth the little bit of fireworks that we could see. It was more like we were watching the fireworks that was happening in Germany standing in London. Hope you had a wonderful time. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Catch you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mwah! Bye!